The new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has everything a phone should have, which is a really great camera. So with this camera, they've done a couple things new with it. The one feature I really like is the Bixby Vision. So this is what happens here. I turn this on. I feel like this is what a smart camera should do. I turn this on and I could, if I choose place, I could scan the area and it will show me exactly where something is. So right now it's showing me that right over here, there is a Huawei booth because we know we're at a Samsung booth. But that's a nice feature. If you're out and about, you don't know where you are and you're looking for a restaurant, you can turn on this feature and scan the area, it'll show you where all the restaurants are. This is also pretty cool. It's the live Google Translate. I'm clicking on the text option here and I'm gonna translate to traditional Chinese, which is what I can read. I'll put it up against text and it will live translate some of the words for me. So if you come close here, you see how the dual aperture turned into Chinese. Kind of like magic. Let's say I'm watching a TV show and someone's wearing a ring that I really want to know more about. I could put the phone up and target it at my ring. It's saying warts. That is an epic fail right there. I'm trying to find a ring and it's telling me I have warts on my hand. That is not what I'm trying to find here. It says object ring, here we go. We love beach backdrops for you. Okay, so it's searching for similar photos as what I'm looking for. I was really trying to look for the ring. I guess you just have to be a little bit more targeted with it. It's trying to focus. Object, okay, engagements, nails, ring. All right, it's a good enough guess. Obviously it's a work in progress, but I like where this is headed because it's not just a camera, it's a smart camera. The other sort of feature I like about this is they came out with a super slow-mo feature where, you know, all the phones have slow-mo now, but this is ultra slow-mo. So let's test this out for a sec. I'm gonna start recording. I'm gonna wave my hands really fast. And boom, 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 boom. And they're claiming that this camera is so clear that when I replay this, you can see all the details on my hand. Let's see if that's really the case here. We'll do an instant replay. Slow-mo right here. Wow. That is quite impressive. Just about 960 frames per second. That is extremely impressive. Now, in terms of user cases, what could we use that for? Cat videos. The last feature I want to show you guys, as they were trying to demonstrate for me earlier, is just how great this camera is. And there's a pro feature that comes with it, and it's got a dual aperture. So I'm going into the ISO, I'm changing it up so we know that this is going to be really good in low light, supposedly. I'm still having, this is all very complicated to me. As just a normal consumer, I really just want my phone to tell time, make phone calls, and make decent photos. This is going one step above and beyond, and I think the learning curve is a little bit steep for anybody getting into this new camera, but I like where they're going. There's a lot of potential with it. And of course, there's other features like the AR emoji, where you can create your own emoji. So if I click on create my emoji right here, and I record myself, it will start creating my own emoji, which is something that the iPhone X does not do. So here we are. I can start doing my AR emoji, like little videos right here. So here I am. Hello, how are you doing? How are you liking the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus? Oh, that's a much better. I like this one much better. And there I am. That's my emoji. That's my ugly emoji. That's my pretty emoji. So on all, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is entertaining. Hours of entertainment. I will keep playing with my emoji, but I honestly have to tell you, this is my favorite one. This is my favorite emoji so far.